Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Valorant has encountered a connection error. Please relaunch the client to reconnect. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. In services find VGC service. Double click on it. Startup type set to automatic and select apply and start the service. Now select OK and just to close stuff here. Go to search menu and type msconfig. Comes up system configuration, click on open it. Select the services tab, hide all Microsoft service, check mark it. After that check mark VGC service, and now go to startup tab and open task manager. In here you just need to enable the right Vanguard service. Just right click on it and select enable it. After that find right client service. Just right click on the right client and select enable it. After enabling both of it, just need to close stuff here and select apply and OK. Select the restart now option and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can play the game without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.